Most people get this wrong. They assume all online loans are quick cash with fair terms. But the surprising truth about Spot Loan is that while it offers fast access to funds, the interest rates and fees can be very high. Here's my honest experience. Spot Loan specializes in short-term installment loans. You can apply online and get an instant decision, often within minutes. Funds are typically deposited quickly, sometimes the same day. You won't believe what happens next. The speed can be life-saving for urgent expenses like car repairs or unexpected bills. The application process is simple. You provide basic personal and employment information, and your eligibility is quickly evaluated. Loan amounts are usually small, from a few hundred to a few $1,000s, and repayment terms are short, typically a few months. However, the downside is cost. Spot Loan charges high interest rates and fees compared to traditional personal loans. If you fail to pay on time, additional penalties and interest can accumulate quickly. My experience showed that while the convenience is real, borrowers must be extremely disciplined about repayment. In my experience, Spot Loan is best used for emergencies when you have no other funding options and can pay back the loan on time. For planned expenses, traditional banks or credit unions offer far better rates and terms. In conclusion, Spot Loan delivers fast, convenient loans, but at high cost. Use responsibly, plan your repayment, and avoid relying on it as a long-term financial solution. Subscribe for more honest reviews of financial services to help you make informed choices.